Alright, almost finished tying my shoe? Oh, somebody's calling me. Woodpecker? Who's this? What the heck? Why is there a woodpecker banging on the screen like that for? Whoa, calm down now, man. What you doing? What you doing banging on the screen like that for, man? Do you not understand English? You about to make me jump on my bed right now if you keep continuing to bang on that screen like that. Alright, bet. You gonna continue to do that, right? Since you won't listen, I'm gonna have to beat you up then. What's up? What's up? What's up, bird? What's up? What the heck is going on in here? What's up? I'm fighting a bird. Back to what we were doing.